G'day, I'm Ray Huron. This is my Yamaha Tenere 700. It's just ticked over 11,000 Ks and it's time to do an oil change.
First thing we need to do is start the bike up to heat up the oil. This helps the oil flow out easier. I find 50 degrees on the dash is a pretty good temperature. Next up, remove the skid plate. Grab your drain pan and remove the sump plug. While that's draining, remove the oil filter. I'm replacing my filter with a High Flow Racing HF 204 RC. The only difference between the 204 and the 204 RC is that one has a hex socket on the end, and this makes it easy to remove next time. Once drained, fit the new filter, hand tight is fine. And replace the sump plug. Check your owner's manual for torque settings. You'll want to allow 3 litres of new oil. I'm using Spectro 10W40 synthetic. Using a funnel, pour in 2.5 litres of the new engine oil through the oil filler hole, then turn the engine over to allow the new oil to pump through the filter. Keep an eye on the engine light on the dash. If this doesn't turn off after a few seconds, kill the engine straight away and check for leaks. Now check the oil level on the eyeglass. The level should be somewhere between the high and low marks. If it's low, top it up a little more. Once you're happy with the level, refit your skid plate. And now it's time to ride.
And just like that, oil change done for another 10,000 Ks. Yay!